What's up, guys? viperfpv here, and wanted to do a real quick update on some of the FPV subscription boxes. I actually recently just got notified that apparently FPV Crate either purchased DroneDrop or DroneDrop is just done, and then FPV Crate's able to pick up, I guess, maybe the pieces. I'm not really sure, but looks like we got an email here outlining saying that DroneDrop is now FPV Crate, and let me show you guys what I'm seeing right here. So right here we have DroneDrop is now FPV Crate, and this is on the FPV Crate website as fpvcrate.com. Pretty much it's telling you that you can now subscribe to FPV Crate. It's giving you guys an option with a discount code of like $49.99 a box. So it looks like I will not be covering DroneDrop anymore. I am doing a giveaway, so you guys all know it's the December DroneDrop. It has the TBS Source 1 frame in it, along with the what else was in it? A couple other little things. The tweezers and whatnot. So if you want to go ahead and look at that video, I'll leave a link to that down in the description. But I appreciate you guys watching, and just wanted to do, like I said, a quick video, just an update on the channel, so I won't be doing DroneDrop anymore. So see you guys later. Peace.